Hi, I'm Master Sergeant Kroll with the 128th Aircraft Metals Technology Shop. Our unit got a new boom simulator, which is good news for you because I was tasked with making it mobile. Now my shop went ahead and miniaturized this and compacted it. Let's take a closer look. We've got this all put in a trailer and we're going to be taking this to an event near you. And you can jump in with us and I will show you, or one of my colleagues will be showing you how to fly the boom.
Hello, I'm Master Sergeant Elvis Alvarado, recruiter and former boom operator. I had the pleasure of doing this job for 7 years, best job in the Air Force. If you'd like to come and try it for yourself, please visit us at EAA AirVenture in Oshkosh and the Milwaukee Air and Water Show.